Well, hello and welcome back. My name is Angelique if you are new here, and today we went to Costco for the first time in 2021. So I wanted to do a full restock for the house because we were so out of everything. Our fridge was so empty, it was getting bad. So we went to Costco and stocked up. It was actually a family event. My mom came, Sawyer came, and his mom. So we all just had a little day at Costco. So let's go ahead and show you guys what I found. Starting with what's right in front of me. For some reason, this got put here. This is the pre-made street tacos. I absolutely love this. This is super easy just to have in the fridge. When anyone's hungry, you can just throw it in a pan and make yourself a little street taco, which is nice. I love having some easy pre-made items in the house, especially with having a guest. It just makes it really easy when somebody's hungry. So we grabbed street tacos. You guys know the drill. I always start with the cold items, that way I can quickly get it in the fridge because it's a long drive today. So I grabbed some more cauliflower crust pizzas. These are my favorite. I always dress them up with a little bit of prosciutto, some seasoning. I even add like salami. I just dress it up with however I want. And recently I've been adding some balsamic glaze, which is a really nice touch to the pizza. And then this time Sawyer helped me pick out some of the pre-made items, and we tried the burger steak with gravy. Never had these. If you've had them, let me know what you think. We're gonna test it out and see if we like it, but thought we'd mix it up this time. And then I found in the frozen section this lean ground beef packs. This is the Costco brand, Kirkland, and this is 5 individually packed 1-pound packages of lean ground beef. It's only 9% fat, and this whole thing was $18, which I thought was a very good price for 5 pounds of meat. So I got that to keep in the freezer just whenever we want to do tacos or bolognese or anything like that. I grabbed my Kirkland uncured Black Forest ham. You guys know this is one of my go-tos. I'm very picky with the texture of meats, like lunch meats. It's just very particular, and this one is a great texture, and I love the way it tastes. So always get my ham from Costco. Then I grabbed some more creamer. You guys know this is our favorite. I get one pretty much every time I go, and I just put it in the outside fridge. And we'll use them probably, this whole thing will last us like a month, which kind of sounds like a lot when I think about it, but we love coffee in this house. And then I grabbed a bag of individually wrapped chicken breast. I love the chicken breast from Kirkland. Again, some frozen meats, the texture's just, I don't know what it is, but their frozen chicken breasts are my favorite. I love that they're individually wrapped. It makes it really easy to store in the freezer and like pull it out when I want to defrost something. So yeah, I always keep a bag of these in the freezer, as well as I have another bag of chicken I'll show you later, but don't know where it is. So come back to that. And then this time we grabbed some steaks. We grabbed some beef ribeye steaks. Great price. I was very impressed. These are 3 huge ribeyes for $55. We've been craving to go out to a steakhouse, and when we saw these, we're like, we'll just do it at home. And yeah, we liked the price. It was really nice steaks for that price. I want to say the chicken's in here. Listen. Yes, it is. Chicken I was talking about. I grabbed the Kirkland brand chicken tenderloins, and these are really great if you need to quickly defrost chicken, so I always keep these on hand as well, because if I'm like, oh crap, I forgot to defrost chicken, these defrost super quick. So grab those to have on hand. Oh my gosh, my pile is getting quite big here. I have to start putting away. Then I always love grabbing some of the Aidell sausage. This time they had a pear and white cheddar, which just sound really good. Last time we did the chicken and apple, so I thought we would try pear and cheddar. So never tried these, but I've always loved their sausages, so trying a new flavor. And then these looked really good.
They do look really good.
These are the, Amy Lou? Yeah, yeah. We'll go with that. These are burgers by Amy Lou. These are caramelized onion and aged white cheddar. Those sound amazing. So I've never tried these either. This is a new item that I'm gonna try. I'll let you guys know what I think, but it sounded good to have something quick on hand. Yes, I needed another one of these so bad. I got the bitchin' sauce. This is the chipotle aioli or chipotle almond dip. It is so freaking good. Yeah, and I love at Costco you get like this big container of it. I go through it so fast. They have it at your Costco, highly recommend. I know at like Trader Joe's, I think even Whole Foods, they have different flavors. I haven't tried any of the other ones because I haven't seen them here in Hawaii, but the Chipotle is awesome. And the last thing in this bag before I put everything in front of me away, we are trying the lobster bisque. Sawyer actually grabbed this time. I've had it before. It is really, really yummy, so we got it for us this time. All right, I'm gonna put this away. I'm out of breath. Stay out of the bags, you little stinker. All right, I grabbed some romaine to split with my mom. You guys know I split a lot of things with my mom, so there's a few items coming up. I grabbed some asparagus to do with our steaks. We stopped into Ross. We found some cookies from Mrs. Field and some lollipops. Super exciting. Then I grabbed my package of organic eggs. I love to get them at Costco because they're a lot more price friendly there. And then I talked about these before. These are the teriyaki stir fry udon noodles, and these are a staple in our house. We like to keep them for easy meals when we do like chicken stir fry. Sawyer absolutely loves these, so highly recommend. Then I grabbed my quinoa salad. This is just super easy to throw chicken in for an easy lunch or for a dinner side. Grabbed some raspberries, blackberries, and some grapes. And then I grabbed the package of bell peppers. Again, I'm gonna split these with my mom because I can never get through these fast enough. Now I'm gonna put this away. And the last bag from Costco, we have the sourdough bread. I always get my sourdough there because I get too low, so I throw one in the outside freezer. We grabbed, what is this? Some baguettes to do with fondue. FYI, some of our favorite like pre-done fondue cheese is at Whole Foods. I want to say, do you know what kind of cheese that is, babe?
It's in the fridge.
It's in the fridge. Oh, it's Swiss cheese. It's a Swiss cheese fondue. It looks like this. Highly recommend from Whole Foods. All right, and then I grabbed these cheesy cheddar cracker snacks. I get their gluten-free crackers, so I've never tried this one before, but I'm assuming they're really good. It's probably like a Cheez-It. And then my mom and I found these OxiClean multi-surface cleansing wipes. They're meant for like to clean the inside of your car. So we're gonna split this and try them out, but they looked really handy. And it says new car scent, so I'll let you know once I clean my car. Grabbed some magic erasers. I don't know why, but this bath one that's in here, I can't find like an individual package of them at like Target. I'll have to look on Amazon. But the bath one, the bath scrubby, is the best one. It gets off literally anything. It's better than the other two. Some garlic. I was completely out, so this is actually a different brand than what I normally get, but I feel like garlic is garlic, so grab that. So I grabbed some little batteries. And Karen grabbed these box of chocolate macadamia nuts to take home with her to give to friends and family. Little tip, if you're ever in Hawaii visiting, grab one of these from Costco if you stop in. Way more price friendly than getting it at Target or Walgreens or anything like that. I think the last thing that I got were some fresh roses. I grabbed some white ones and some baby pink ones to put around the house, and I think that is everything that I got from Costco this go round. So let me quickly put this away and I will say goodbye. Well, loves, there you have it. That was the first Costco run of 2021. I absolutely love that you guys like these videos because I love going to Costco and I always love seeing what people find at Costco. It always gives me new ideas to add to my grocery list. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. I talk about lifestyle, home decor, and cleaning. But that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.